How to unlink Monopoly Go from Facebook. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. First, you want to open up the Facebook app on your device. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. After that, tap on the gear icon to open up your settings. Once you're here, scroll all the way down and here you want to tap on Apps and Websites. Now find and tap on Monopoly Go. After this, you can find the remove button right here. So tap on that option. Now here it's going to ask you for confirmation. Tap on remove one more time and this is going to remove all of your connections between Facebook and Monopoly Go, which include logged in with Facebook. If you agree to this, tap on remove, and once you have done that, you have successfully unlinked Monopoly Go from Facebook. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.